Here's a simple law of mind. You cannot gain or lose except through the mind. All transactions take place in the mind. Your subconscious mind always magnifies whatever you deposit in it. Never admit a loss. In prayer therapy, you just simply dwell upon the attributes and qualities of God. And you claim that the love, the peace, the harmony, the healing presence of the living God is flowing through that person. It's harmony, joy, vitality, wholeness, and beauty. Nothing is foreordained. Nothing is predestined. There are certain states of mind where fire does not burn and poisons do not kill. It's true that fire burns, but at higher levels of consciousness, fire does not burn. I have seen people walking on red-hot coals of fire, 1500 degrees centigrade, in Ceylon, India, and many other parts of the world. They believe they're possessed by gods. They are conditioned over a long period of time, and they believe they're possessed by their gods. A soldier in Vietnam phoned his mother, telling her that the doctor said his foot would have to be amputated. She said, wait until the morning. Said, in the meantime, I will pray about it. His mother was a very spiritual woman. This is called absent prayer. There is no absence in the one present. There is no time or space in the mind principle. His mother prayed this way. She said, my son in Saigon is known in divine mind. The surgeons are God's men. God is guiding them to do the right thing. The healing presence of the living God flows through my boy, vitalizing, healing, restoring, transforming his whole being. His body is God's body. His life is God's life. And the infinite healing presence, which made him from a cell, is now making him whole and perfect. And the healing love of God saturates his whole being. God in the midst of him is healing him now. The doctor came in the morning to see this boy. The gangrenous foot was perfectly normal. His mother's prayer healed it. You can do the same. She went over this quietly in her mind. You use no effort in prayer. Prayer is effortless effort. You cannot add power to omnipotence. Prayer is like painting a beautiful scene on the wings of a butterfly. The healing atmosphere of a group of people dedicated and consecrated to God permeates the subconscious mind of that man, brings about a complete molecular change of the subconscious mind, and the toxic effluvia of his subconscious mind, toxic poisons, are neutralized by the grace and the love of God of the people present, because our minds mingle like atmospheres. When you go to Shinto shrines, Buddhistic shrines, or Christian shrines, there are thousands of people that go there every day, and they pray that everyone who comes to that shrine are miraculously healed by the power of God. That's why when they go into that atmosphere, it impinges on the receptive media of their mind, and they have a miraculous healing. But always remember, they are looking for healing. Receptivity is essential. They don't have to have faith in any religion. God is no respecter of persons. An atheist, a so-called atheist, can get an answer to his prayer just the same as you can. The God presence is absolutely impersonal. The sun shines on the just and the unjust. The rain falls on the good and the evil. And all men may touch the God presence. And the murderer can be changed in the twinkling of an eye. You pray, you claim what's true of God is true of that person. You never pray that the person be protected from shell or shot or guns or things of that nature. You do not pray. You do not pray about symptoms. The highest The highest form of prayer is not to think of symptoms at all, or of the body. That's another form of therapy. In prayer therapy, you just simply dwell upon the attributes and qualities of God. And you claim that the love, the peace, the harmony, the healing presence of the living God is flowing through that person. It's harmony, joy, vitality, wholeness, and beauty. Your subconscious mind always magnifies whatever you deposit in it. Never admit a loss.